So I want to answer some questions that you may have for the homework. You would have gotten an email from me. So one of the problems is a 2D angle problem. It's number 3, a 2D angle problem. And students had questions as to what these angles meant. So let's take a look at the 780 Newton force. So it's going up to the left. You could tell from this that it's a positive y and it's a negative x. But how does that 59 degrees help you? So what I do, I redraw it. I always redraw it with the tail at the point. So I would say this is 780 newtons. And if this is 59, it's this. If this is 59, this is 59 degrees. So I always redraw it. So in this case now, what is our theta y? Our theta y is this value, and our theta x is this whole value. And then let's do the other one. So we're looking at 650, it's going down. So here's 650 newtons. And you can see that it has a negative x value and a negative y value. Let's just put this here. And this angle right here is 48. That means that this is 48 degrees. Right, from geometry, you remember that. So our theta y is actually this whole value, and the theta x is this whole value. And I always take the shortest angle for theta x, but theta x could be this, or theta x could be all this all the way around. Okay, so some people had a question on that one. And then, people also had a question, I'm going to erase this now. That was a 2D angle problem. They had a question on number 5. And number 5 is a 2D distance ratio problem. So we're looking at a force of 825 newtons. And you look at the tail here and you say, well, I'm not given any distance. But remember, a force is a projection. This force could be applied here or it could be applied here. And this is where they give you the distances. So I could draw my force right here and say 825. It's coming from here, going to here. The distance in the x is 120 and the distance in the y is 65. Okay, that was 2 of the questions in the 2D. And then there was a question in the 3D. Let's go to the next page. 3D, it was problem number 2. So again, you have to get comfortable in looking at 3D space. Let's look at 3 first. 3 may be more comfortable for you because they have the box here. You could see that the force 700 pounds goes from here to here. It goes a value in the negative x, a value in the positive z, and a value in the positive y. But when we look at problem number 2, some people got a little uncomfortable, and it might be best to actually write, to draw your box. So here's your force of 600 pounds, and if you want, you could draw your box. Here is going up, here is 600. We could draw it going up here. And here's my box. So you can see that it's going from the origin to here, and it's going this amount in the positive y, this amount in the positive x, and it's going this amount in the positive z. Okay, so definitely get comfortable with the 3D space problems. Okay, thanks. Bye.